to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2007 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 Grabber Orange with tungsten stripes. This is one of 200 and something cars, well, it's right here, I'll just show you. 259 of 282 cars, but only one of 100 cars with the tungsten stripe package. This one, here's the original window sticker, the original bill of sale, and the Ford Shelby GT certificate of authenticity. It's got the original books and the CD. It's had sequential lights put in and exhaust tips put on the back along with a short shifter. So have a look in the frames. It's like a brand new car. It's just got 12,000 kilometers. It is in outstanding condition. What a car. Shelby GT 500. 2007 is the inaugural year. That's the first year when Shelby was involved in this. So it's got the real Shelby heritage with it. Beautiful tires, Goodyear Eagle F1s on it. Have a look inside here. The seats are like brand new. Airbags in the side. The snake embroidered into the back of the seat. It is fabulous and clean, of course, in the back seat as well. Really never been sat in the back. And it's got the Shelby mats with the Shelby insignia on them. Have a look in the door frames, absolutely perfectly clean and clear. In the glove box here, a couple little goodies here. There's the wheel lock, etc. Just what you need, the airbag sticker, everything's there. It's got the Carroll Shelby signature on the serial number, so all good there. Certifying the vehicle. Shaker sound system along with that navigation package, just in outstanding condition. So up here is the snake, the GT500 stripes. Here's your other wheel, no curb rash, no issues. Brembo brakes, painted rotors, painted calipers, looks outstanding. Under the hood, 500 horsepower on that V8 engine with supercharger on it. It is an SVT engine signed right there by the builders of the engine, so 5.4 liter V8 with the supercharger on it. Just outstanding product. This one's had a K&N filter installed, no big deal. It adds a little bit of breathing to it, but certainly well loved. Cross strut tower also, that's an aftermarket piece that was put on along with the struts to hold the hood up. Another nice feature. So close the hood and have a look out here. There's that snake. Looks fantastic. 2007 again being the inaugural year. Just a beauty. Here's our other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues, just like brand new. And the same back here on the back wheel. Outstanding. So on the driver's door, you've got power windows, power locks, Shaker 500 sound system, power mirrors up there. Beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel with baseball stitching. And the seats are in outstanding condition, no issues or wear. So we'll climb in and we'll fire this one up. Beautiful. Sounds fantastic. Nice little rumble. Saw the 12,995 kilometers, but let me close the door just so that you can see that for sure. There you go, 12,995 are the kilometers exactly. It's got the signed plaque. It's got navigation. There's your air conditioning and a short shifter with a cue ball on it with the nice baseball stitching around there, and the baseball stitching on the steering wheel looks fabulous. Our cruise control, and then the Shelby GT500 insignia there. So just absolutely beautiful. It's got the compass in the mirror, as well as the dimming, auto dimming mirror. The Shelby sign up there. Fabulous car. Have a look in the door frame as I'm getting out. You can see on the sill it says Shelby GT500 right there as well. Power seat, of course. So no paintwork, no damage, just an absolutely stunning, beautiful car. So down the sides you can see there's no damage, no scratches, no dents, no bumps, nothing. Listen to that rumble at the back. If you've got surround sound, that really is amazing. Little Shelby end tips on it. So there you have it, folks. That's the 2007 Ford Mustang Carroll Shelby GT500 in Grabber Orange with tungsten stripes. It's here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon.